Juices for glowing skin. Drink up these power-packed fruit and vegetable juices for perfectly glowing skin and boost your skin health naturally. 1. Carrot and beetroot juice. Carrot juice is one of the best powerful juices for healthy glowing skin and spotless clean face. Beetroot is power-packed with essential nutrients including potassium, zinc, iron, folic acid, manganese and vitamin C, all of which are known to purify blood that further leads to a glowing skin. All of which are known to purify blood that further leads to a glowing skin. Carrot contains vitamin A that fights acne, wrinkles, pigmentation and uneven skin tone. In fact, the juice is rich in fiber that eases bowel movement and excretion, thereby cleaning your stomach. 2. Cucumber juice. Wild cucumber face packs may do wonders for your skin. Cucumber juice may also help moisturize your skin, making it more elastic and glowing. 3. Fresh tomato juice. Tomato is packed with high concentrations of antioxidants that help in reducing the signs of premature aging like wrinkles and fine lines, making your skin look fresher and youthful. Tomatoes help in shrinking your pores, removing tan and reducing sebum. Drinking a glass of tomato juice is definitely one of the best juices for glowing skin. 4. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate has the ability to purify blood that further helps in nourishing your skin and making it glow. It also has anti-aging properties that help in cell renewal that leads to young and beautiful skin. A glass of pomegranate juice is exactly what you need to drink up daily. 5. Spinach juice. Green leafy vegetable juices may not taste delicious but they are extremely beneficial for your skin. Spinach juice is said to be rich in iron and vitamin K that are essential for getting a flawless skin. These greens also contain vitamin C, E and manganese that are antioxidants protecting your skin from damage-causing free radicals. 6. Papaya juice. This fruit has always come to rescue whenever needed. The fruit contains an enzyme known as papain that helps clear the skin impurities and reveals a clear and bright skin. Drink up papaya juice regularly for a soft and gleaming skin. 7. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is one multitask that does wonders for your skin and hair. It is rich in vitamins and minerals that help maintain the natural glow of your skin. It has hormones like auxin and gibberellins that are known to be skin healers. Yes, I know it is very difficult to drink aloe vera juice. But you can add 4 to 5 tablespoons in any other juice you like. It will help you to drink aloe vera. And you can also add some lemon juice to make taste better. 8. Ginger lemon juice. The good old kitchen ingredient ginger is a rich source of potassium and niacin. Those are essential minerals for your body. They contribute in keeping your skin healthy and glowing. Difficult to drink ginger but it's very healthy and effective for your skin and body. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons in 1 glass of water, so that it's easy to drink. Or you can add some lemon juice to make the taste better. 9. Apple juice. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. These wonder fruits are super healthy for skin and overall health. Apples contain a significant amount of collagen that makes your skin elastic and glowing. They also contain antioxidants that prevent signs of premature aging that include skin tissue damage and wrinkles. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Share this videos with your loved ones. If you have any question please comment below.